Hi, this is John with WTI. And let me tell you, this is hands down the best pancake mix that I've had. And I've had a lot before, but this Per Miling Company pancake mix is just awesome. And one of the things that I like the most from this mix is just the flavor. This is a mix of the cinnamon and green apple. And you can actually feel the little chunks in the mix while you're eating this. This has a nice amount of apple, the green apple, and the nice mix of this cinnamon that you just add. And this is like personal preference, but it says that you can just add it with water, you're good to go. I like to mix it with milk and a little bit of eggs for the added proteins. Mix, 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 mix. Put it in the pan, stir it to top and the other side, and just add it with peanut butter. The fluffiness of this mix is just awesome, and it gives me a lot of servings. Like I'm a guy that eats a lot, as you can imagine, and the taste, the flavor, the whole experience is just top notch. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.